And actually one of my friends told me and my cousin once that we like to smell like diabetes. Welcome back, Pinkies, and if you're new to my channel, my name is JayQuan of JayyPinkk's Vanity. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video I'm super excited to film. I'll be sharing with you my fall whipped body butter collection. 3 festive scents perfect for this cozy fall and winter season. If you are new to my channel, I make whipped body butters with natural, raw, and organically sourced ingredients. It is a combination of solid butters and liquid butters. The solid butters are first melted down, allowed to cool, and then combined with my liquid oils, and then whipped with a whisk attachment to give it a fluffy, light texture. Whipping the body butter gives it a lighter texture so that it melts into the skin very easily and leaves less of a greasy film than your traditional body butter. A little of my whipped body butter goes a very long way. So let's jump right into it. For my fall whipped body butter collection, I've created 3 cozy, festive scents that are perfect for fall and winter season. Each body butter will only be available on my site for a limited time, 2 of which will be on my site until January 31st of 2022, and one of the butters will be going away as of November 30th, 2021. My first fall whipped body butter is the one that will be here for the shortest amount of time, unfortunately. Exiting November 30th is Pumpkin Spice Latte whipped body butter. I wanted to make this fragrance for the true lovers of all things fall and festive. I describe this as warm spices and pumpkin marshmallows. It's the perfect combination of spices and sweet. The fragrance in this is not overwhelming and actually gives a nice underlying note to any of your favorite fall fragrances. As the holidays are coming up, this is perfect for the festive lady or friend that you have in your life, especially if she is a collector of all things self-care. The pumpkin spice latte only comes in an 8-ounce jar. This is the perfect gift for the holiday season. Now the next 2 whipped body butters I'm going to show you, these are the butters that are going to be here all the way until the end of January of next year. The next one I'm going to show you in particular might be my personal favorite, hot chocolate whipped body butter, and my oh my. This one is so dear to me because growing up I used to love hot chocolate, especially around this time, and this literally smells like when you take a packet of hot chocolate out and you open it. That's exactly what this smells like. It's warm, it's rich, it's decadent, it's all of the things. I would describe this fragrance as rich, warm chocolate topped with whipped cream and marshmallows. It smells so good. Again, it's not overwhelming. It adds an extra layer of depth, especially if you're a girl who likes sweeter fall fragrances. This is perfect. It's not overwhelming and perfect to cozy up with a night in, if you're watching a movie, a girls' night for the holiday, whatever your traditions are. This is perfect to add in. This is the perfect gift for a self-care queen in your life or anyone you know that enjoys collecting body butter products. The hot chocolate as well only comes in an 8-ounce jar. The hot chocolate whipped body butter is the perfect gift for the holiday hottie in your life. I saved the most popular whipped body butter for last. This body butter was the highest in demand when I took it off of my site earlier this year. I received quite a few DMs about when she would be making her grand entrance back in all of her warmed baked glory. One thing I personally love is smelling like a fresh baked good. I don't know what it is. Cinnamon Swirl whipped body butter is subtle enough to stop a passerby in his tracks, as well as add a sweet depth to, again, any fall fragrances. None of my scented whipped body butters are overwhelming. If you don't wear perfume, this will be perfect for you as just a light way to add some fragrance. She is warm, cinnamon swirled with brown sugar and drizzled with icing. She's my absolute favorite and always the most popular whenever she makes a grand entrance. She is perfect for any sweet pinky that you may have in your life. As always, all my fall whipped body butters that have essential or fragrance oils in them do have their signature pink color. That's how you tell you have a pink whipped body butter, or if you're buying a pink whipped body butter from my site that has an added fragrance to it. I do also have naturally scented whipped body butters that are perfect for people who have sensitive skin as well as babies, eczema, and healing scars. And something really special that I've added to my whipped body butters this fall season is just an added little bit of shimmer and sparkle. I'll insert a clip of what it looks like. Again, very subtle, but enough to give you a nice light glow. The hot chocolate and the cinnamon swirl also come in these cute sample sizes. These are perfect stocking stuffers, a good way to try out the body butter, especially if you're worried about how you may react to fragrances. One question that I get asked very often is, what is a whipped body butter? As I explained at the beginning of the video, it is a combination of solid butters as well as liquid oils that are combined together, whipped into create this fluffy texture. Essentially what a body butter is a deeper hydrating lotion, if you will. For people who have dry skin, whipped body butters have benefits such as vitamin E, vitamin A that don't have the chemical preservatives in it as some of your mainstream lotions. Whipped body butters are going to be perfect for the winter season. Another question I get asked very often is, why do you need a whipped body butter? Or why specifically my whipped body butter? With the growing market of mainstream whipped body butters, my whipped body butters contain high grade butters and liquid oils that have antioxidants which help slow down the process of aging, as well as vitamin E, which helps restore the skin. Vitamin E not only restores the skin, but it also heals the skin as well as protects your skin. Each ingredient that I've selected to put into my whipped body butter was selected for its skin loving benefits and low risk of reaction or irritation, as well as I made sure that no butter or oil that's placed into my butters will clog your pores. Each ingredient in my whipped body butters was also selected to help repair and restore the skin's natural moisture barrier. Your skin's natural moisture barrier is what controls the amount of moisture that your skin holds. In the long term, this actually helps to protect the largest organ in and on your body. Reduces wrinkles, soothes dry, itchy skin, rashes, sunburn, milder cases of eczema, stretch marks. Whipped body butters are perfect for new and expecting mommies, as well as anyone looking to just up their body care routine. For more information on each ingredient in my whipped body butters, you can visit my website and click on the product information where I've broken down each product and its benefits, pros, and cons. If you don't follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, they'll be linked down below. November 26th, Black Friday, I will be hosting a 24-hour event where if you spend $30 on my site, you will receive your next butter 50% off for 1 day only. Each whipped body butter that I've talked about today will be linked down below directly to the fall collection. And I want to say to everyone who has supported my business so far, whether it be actually purchasing from my business, sharing a post on Facebook or Instagram, or handing out my business cards or my flyers, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much. And I thank God for giving me this opportunity to be able to share something with you that I actually genuinely am proud of and honestly wouldn't be able to come up with without God. This is a product that's healing, a product that's helped me deal with eczema as well as helped me heal lupus scars. So truly, truly from the bottom of my heart, I am so grateful for each and every one of you that share my videos, that share my posts on Instagram and Facebook, and each of you who find it in your hearts and your wallets to purchase one of my whipped body butters. And I'm so excited for all the things that are next to come. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you pinkies in the next one. 2-for-1 makeup deal. Say that, but who's going to hear me? Not me not wanting to project. Wow, this pimple is catching light. I like that a lot. I like that a lot.
What is you doing, sir?
I'm too young to be having hot flashes. Let's finish this, because the way I just got nervous, that's weird. That's real weird. Okay, reduces weight.